Looking for a drone that delivers cinema-quality footage, high-altitude control, and next-level obstacle avoidance, all packed into a foldable, screen-controlled remote setup? Meet the X40 Pro Max GPS drone, a 5G-enabled aerial beast with an 8K HD camera, 3-axis gimbal, and real-time LCD screen transmission. In today's video, we're diving deep into everything this powerhouse offers. This drone claims up to 5 kilometers of digital image transmission and 800 meters of altitude hold. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. In the box, you'll find the X40 Drone, a large LCD remote controller, high-capacity battery, spare propellers, USB charging cables, a screwdriver, and dual-user manuals. Let's talk features. This drone is packed with tech built for both beginners and professionals. 8K HD wide-angle front camera with EIS stabilization. 3-axis mechanical gimbal for buttery-smooth footage. 5G dual antenna transmission, real-time video up to 5 kilometers. GPS smart tracking and return home. 360 degrees obstacle avoidance system. Brushless motors for wind resistance and flight efficiency. Custom flight paths, headless mode, and gesture control. Now let's take it outside and see how it performs in the real world. Flight stability, camera clarity, wind resistance, and return to home accuracy. So, what do we like? Excellent stabilization. Stunning 8K visuals. Easy-to-use screen controller. Great for aerial photography and semi-professional work. On the downside? The battery life is around 20 to 25 minutes, which is good but not the best. It's not waterproof, so be mindful of rainy or wet conditions. The X40 Pro Max is a solid GPS drone with professional features at an affordable price. Perfect for travelers, vloggers, or anyone stepping up their aerial game. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech reviews, and let us know in the comments, would you fly the X40 or go for a DJI instead?